Our 2025 Nissan Frontier wheel spaces safe for off-roading. Countless successful cases prove that running high-quality Nissan Frontier wheel spaces is safe as long as they fit the vehicle and are installed correctly. Basically, wheel spaces are installed between the assembly hub and the wheel. The wheel legs apply a clamping force to secure the spacer and wheel to the vehicle hub. Forged wheel spaces are generally safer and better for your wheel upgrades because high tensile strength gives them strong resistance to being pushed apart, making them resistant to bending and breaking. Therefore, it is safe to put wheel spaces on your Nissan Frontier. Besides, these Nissan Frontier wheel spaces have no issue with the 4x4 system in any way. Higher spaces are just metal that move the wheels outward from the corresponding vehicle hubs. The wheels and tires are set apart even further, which in return improves 4x4 traction and stability. This also boosts cornering performance. Properly torquing wheel spaces is critical to ensure wheel assembly rides smoothly, forces evenly, and performance as exists. As long as you use top-quality Nissan Frontier wheel spaces and torque them properly, everything is fine. What materials make the best Nissan Frontier wheel spaces? Based on the theory, practical experience, and customer feedback, if you would like to keep everything safe, forged Nissan Frontier wheel spaces should be your option. In other words, forged Nissan Frontier wheel spaces are generally better for your wheel upgrade. The reasons are quite simple. High tensile strength gives it strong resistance to being pushed apart, making it resistant to bending and breaking. As a professional Nissan Frontier wheel spaces designer and manufacturer, BONOSS only uses the highest quality materials. BONOSS forged FT cooling wheel spaces are made of forged 6061T6 or 007T6 aluminum alloy. High tensile strength gives it strong resistance to being pushed apart, making it resistant to bending and breaking. Such BONOSS forged FT cooling Nissan Frontier wheel spaces are the best option for your off-roading performance upgrades. Advantage technology and top quality make BONOSS forged FT cooling Nissan Frontier wheel spaces your best option. Apart from the basic spacer functionality, BONOSS forged FT cooling Nissan Frontier wheel spaces offer more extra useful advantages. For example, the side-loading design. It eliminates internal strap and enlarges the cooling area, which is good for the FT cooling effect. It is true that most aluminum wheel spaces are well designed to offer better weathering. These side-loading BONOSS forged FT cooling Nissan Frontier wheel spaces are exactly good for performance upgrades.